Tools. Oh shit, wrong way. Our bullshit box bleach. Mixing bowl, whatever. Shower cap that I got from a hotel. It comes with gloves, but I have some gloves. You know what I'm saying?
Alright, we're on like our 10th breakdown of the day. I just cried a little bit, and I haven't even did it yet.
No, I'm scared. Okay. I'm scared. I'm terrified. I just feel like crying, and I don't want to do this. I want to do it, but I'm like so scared. Brad Mondo, because this is what we are working with today. We don't even have like the actual tub of bleach that with the developer and all that good shit. No, we have box bleach. Okay, so I bought this one because look at the damn lies that they're telling. They're telling you that if your hair is that dark, you're gonna get it that light. And I'm like, okay, well my hair is a little dark.
The max, so it should get about that light. This one don't have no results. It's like, we don't know. You just gotta try it out for yourself kind of thing. That's what this one says. Yeah, I like that this one says it gives an anti-brass conditioner. So,
but I know that's damn well about like that. That's not. It's gonna go from that brown to that light in one box, one sitting. I highly doubt that. But if I can get it to a high yellow, so let's hope for that. I just want it to get lighter. I know it's probably not gonna be like a nice platinum blonde or no shit. I just want it to be lighter, a lighter color than I currently have. Okay.
so they say you shouldn't wash your hair for a few days, so I didn't. So it looks like I didn't wash my hair for a few days. So this is what we're working with. My ends are already so damaged, and then I'm gonna do this. Like, I'm so scared.
It took me an hour to do half and half because I only had enough. Like I'm literally, this is completely empty now. I only got half of half. So what the fuck am I supposed to do? But it ain't gonna happen that way. So I have to use this to finish dyeing the rest of this shit and then go back and do my roots with this one. So let's see how that fucking goes. I'm gonna let this sit for, it says 30 minutes, but it's already been in there for a while, so I really don't fucking know, but we'll see.
Aaron. Oh, fuck!
I can see it. I'm scared. Okay. Well, after I heated it up, I don't know why, but like the bleach is like, you see that liquid? Yeah, I don't know. Oh, I can see it already. Oh
My God, why is that blue?
there's so much liquid in that. What is it? Oh, it stinks. Oh, fuck. Oh, the fume. Okay. Why is it so high? The pink is so high. Like, well, that just fell off. Hair is not falling out so far. That's very good.
I thought I had too much red in it. I thought the red stopped at the bottom. Oh, that looks dead.
She's lighter. Oh, this looks terrible. And yeah, I really thought the red was like only down, like up, you know, like here. I thought my natural hair was all the way down. My hair is dead. I'm upset. It's fine. It's completely fine. Oh, she's dead. All right, I'm gonna wash it out. I'll be right back. We still have the top part, just a little bit to dye. whatever this is. And then our roots, we're gonna go back and do. Oh.
Red left. Why is this much pink? Like, you see the red is down here. Like, maybe up here. Why the fuck? How the fuck? Who the fuck?
Like, I have not seen my hair light in years. There's such a difference. Oh, from that to that. That to that, right? Right. Right. The splat, I mean, I guess it worked. I'm gonna put red on top of it, so it's like, I don't even know what to say about the pink, so whatever. But as long as it gets us from that to that.
My disappointment is immeasurable, and my day is ruined.
Husband, that hurts.
Are you sure about that?
What if I'm digging your hair?
Just ripping it out by the root, so it will never go back. What?
To the other side. A little bit, a little dot.
I keep doing it. Just wipe it off.
Yeah, I just picked it
And
up.
hopefully, I don't really know.
I just picked it.
You know, I'm hoping for the best. I'm probably gonna have fucking blonde patches all on this.
You know, and they ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
I'm just staring at whatever this is on this towel, trying to figure out, is it a dead bug or a piece of weed? I think it's a piece of weed.
You should be good now. Alright.
Okay, thank you. Love you. Give me this. Alright. So now you're going to do the same process as earlier and incubate it. Full on your your head. You just check your head. Okay, this itches. It already looks pretty cool. You want to incubate that shit. Oh, wait. Ah! Shit. How long? I don't know, because it's already been in there for a really long time. So, like, I don't fucking know. I don't want my hair to fall out. So we're gonna say 20 minutes. I'm gonna leave this in.
Are you sure about that?
And I'm gonna hope for the best. Alright. So assess the damage. Oh wow, I can already see that. Yep.
Okay, I got scared. I thought my hair was falling out. I don't know what the fuck that piece was. I don't know what that was. Ain't no hair in there. I thought my hair fell out. Okay. There's no hair in there, so I don't know what the fuck that little piece. That probably came up with something else, I guess. Oh, I'm so upset at that part, and I put so much right there.
Oh, this looks terrible. I would say I got the pink out seemingly a lot more. I feel like we were off to a good start and then this happened. Like, I know it's darker because it's wet, but
emotional damage.
yes, I'm gonna put this deep reconstructor on. We're just gonna, yeah. This shit smells amazing. Alright, we're gonna leave a little bit. Just a little bit. Alright. Alright. Like this in and honestly I'm probably gonna wash it out and fucking go cry myself to sleep because my eyebrows are fucked up. I look hideous. My hair is not fucked up.
Emotional damage.
So I'm gonna leave this in for 20 minutes, maybe 30, who fucking knows. And I'm gonna take a shower and go to bed. And I'll see y'all tomorrow when it's dry, maybe in the sunlight, so y'all can really see how fucked up it is. My eyebrows are fucked. Alright, good night. Bye.
Z-Beach! Baby! Z-Beach!
Ooh, the sunlight. A bitch is glowing. A bitch is vacation vibes. We're here. I'm about to get hit by a car.
She got the commentary. Oh, we didn't know this was a road.
An actual
Oh,
road.
we own this one.
We're glowing. We're on vacation.
We are. I know.